Greetings from Master Trade. I am Himshikha, and we are making this video today in order to help you with today's discussion of topic. Topic of discussion is hedging and its benefits. So we are going to discuss on what is hedging and what are its benefits. So here you can see after what is hedging, we will discuss about how the margin reduction can be done with hedging. What is the criteria of limited loss, gap up and gap down safety, how you can earn more than naked selling, and what is safety from volatile moves when it comes to hedging. So we are going to discuss on all these points. So let's start with what is hedging. So here you can see what is hedging. Hedging in trading is where you open a position that goes against a current open position. So this is basically the definition of hedging, that if you are having a current open position, so if you're going for hedging, you have to go for a completely opposite position against that open position. So if we talk in simpler terms, then whatever your desired position is, whether it is open or not, whatever you're desiring to do in futures and options, against it totally opposite position you have to take. That means two vice versa positions are going to be simultaneously maintained. This is hedging, and it works completely as an insurance package for your trades. It will safeguard you from the big losses. It will reduce your risk, and it will also reduce your margin. So these are few benefits of hedging. Let's discuss how, first of all, you can reduce the margin when it comes to hedging. So for margin reduction, first of all, I have given you three views about the market here: bullish, bearish, and range bound. So we will see if you are going with the bullish view about the market, then first of all, two basic operations you can choose, that is to buy futures or to sell put. These two are the basic. The third one that you see is to sell call. This is not a very recommended operation to be done, but it will safeguard you. If you go for it, it will safeguard you from the sudden switch in the prediction about the market. That means if you're predicting that bullish is the market, but it suddenly changes to bearish. So it will safeguard you from that. Here, what you have to do is you have to buy a call of lower strike price and sell a call of higher strike price. Next is bearish view. Here, two basic operations that you will do is to sell futures or to sell call. Third one, again, not very recommended. Here you will buy a put of higher strike price and sell a put of lower strike price. Last but not the least is range bound market. Here actually you are predicting that there is stability in the market, and next movement of the market you don't know whether it is bullish or bearish. So you will like to be on the safer side, and you will decide to you will decide to sell both call and put, but with hedging. So we will see how we can reduce margin in each and every strategy here. So in order to show you the margin reduction, I will take the help of the margin calculator of Astha Trade that is available on our website also. You can also check your requirements from there. So this is the calculator. You can see on the screen. And here you don't have to do much. First of all, I will refresh it. So from this security drop down menu, you can change the scripts, whatever you want to trade in. I'm letting it be Nifty only. From here, drop down, you can select a future, call or put, whichever operation you want. I'm currently selecting futures, as I mentioned. From here, you can change the expiry. And from this drop down, you can also increase the lots if you want from here. And from this drop down, you can select whatever you want, buy or sell. So according to our discussion of the bullish view, we have to buy futures. So first of all, I will show you, if you're going for naked buying, what will be the amount required without hedging. I'm telling you. So we will select for buy and add it. So the amount required, you can see here, is 1,08,537 rupees. This is a huge amount, not affordable very easily. So we will now see how to reduce margin by hedging it. So for hedging this futures buying, I will hedge it against a put buy. So I will add a put. And strike rate here was 15,800. So approximately I will maintain a gap of 300 points. So 15,500 I'm choosing for put buy. Selected buy and then add. So you can see 1,08,000 is now reduced to only 26,000. So this is a huge reduction in the margin requirement. You can do this with the help of hedging. And this amount will be required for carry forward hedging. If you want to go for intraday hedging, you can do this with only 75% of this amount. So this was one strategy of the bullish market. Let's see, as I showed you, next one here is to sell put. So now we will see how to reduce margin for selling put. So again, I will take you to the margin calculator. I will refresh it. And this time we have to sell put. So I will choose put. For selling put, again, I will try to maintain a gap of 300 points. So first of all, I will add for buy. In order to make no confusions, this is also to inform you that whenever you are placing hedging orders, you will first of all have to place order for buy, and then only you can place for sell or future trade. And when you are exiting your hedging position, first of all, you will have to exit your sell or future trade, and then only you can exit your buy position. So in order to make no confusion, I will add first of all buy. So 15,500 I'm choosing for buying. And click on add. With 300 points gap, I will choose 15,800 for sell. So you can see 43,000 is required. So again, the margin is reduced a lot, and 43,000 for carry forward hedging, and 75% of 43,000 will be required for intraday hedging. And this is also to inform you that at Asta Trade, we provide you a wide range for trading in futures and options. For index, we provide you a range of 15% up and 15% down from the spot price. So this is really a wide range we offer you for trading. You can actually take benefit of the wide range. So this was another strategy of bullish view. Now we will switch our view to bearish as we discussed here. So for bearish, we will go for, first of all, to sell futures. So again, I will take you to the calculator. Now we will see, first of all, what margin is required for naked selling of futures. And then we will compare it with hedging, and we will see the reduction in the market. Margin requirement. We will see the reduction in the margin requirement. So first of all, futures we have to sell. So I will click on sell and add it. So you can see again 1,08,000 rupees is required approximately for naked selling of futures. Now we will reduce this with the help of hedging. So for hedging future, I will hedge it against a call this time. For call, I will add. So again, strike rate is 15,832. So approximately I will maintain a gap of 300 points, and call I will buy. So 16,100 I'm choosing for call buy. And then after selecting buy, I add it. So you can see 27,000 rupees is required approximately for this position of hedging till carry forward. That means till expiry. If you want to go for intraday, you can just pay 75% of 27,000. So this is one strategy of bearish view, that is to deal with future selling. Now let's change the strategy with the bearish view also. Next one, as you can see on the screen, is to sell call. Now this time we have to sell call. So again, with the help of the margin calculator, we will see how can we reduce margin for selling call. So we will refresh it. So I will select call now. And again, I will try to maintain a gap of 300 points. So 16,100 I'm selecting for buy. And 15,800 for sell. So you can see the margin requirement is only 44,953 rupees. So an amount greater than 1 lakh also is reduced to only 44,000. Now I think it is quite affordable for our retail traders also. So with that amount, you can actually go for 2 lots with this hedging. If you're going for naked with 1 lakhs, only 1 lot. But if you're going for hedging 2 lakhs, you can go for 2 lots. You can go for with the same amount, and some amount will be still left. So that will actually increase your profit also. So this was another strategy of bearish view. Now, last but not the least, as you can see on the screen, range bound market with stability in the market. So we have to sell both call and put. So first of all, I will take you to the calculator and show you the naked selling of call and put will be requiring what amount. So again, calculator needs to be refreshed. So call I will select here. Strike rate I'm choosing 15,800. Call we have to sell. I've added it. Put also I will choose with same strike rate. We have to sell it. So I added it again. Now you can see for naked selling of call and put 1,77,000 is required approximately. So this is a huge amount, not at all affordable, but by everyone. So we will hedge it. We will encounter our positions by buying the opposite positions. So we will now buy a put. So I will again maintain a gap of 300 points for buying put. So 15,500 I will choose. $15,500 put we have chosen for buy and add it. Then we will select call for same 300 points gap we have to maintain for call. So 16,100 I'm selecting for call buy. And then add it. So you can see all the 4 positions are now entered in the calculator, and 67,000 approximately is required, 67,129 rupees for carry forward hedging of all these 4 positions. So 1,77,000 was required for naked selling. Now we have hedged it and reduced amount to, in fact, more than half also. So this will actually increase your liquidity also. You can reutilize your funds with more lots if you're going for hedging. So this way you can actually generate more profit also. You will reduce the risk, you will reduce the margin, and it will also safeguard you from the gap up and gap down. That means if there is a sudden change in the market, if there is up and down beyond range also, then also hedging will safeguard you from the heavy loss. So and also there is a condition that you will have limited loss only, that I will discuss further. So this was actually the margin reduction in case of all the 3 views that we have seen here. bearish, bullish, and range bound. Now, as I also mentioned earlier, that Asa Trade is providing you very wide range for trading in futures and options. For Nifty, Bank Nifty, that is for index, we provide you 15% range on both side for trading. That means if I consider today's price of Nifty, then approximately you can go down till 13,500 and you can go above till 18,000. So this is a huge range. Where you consider Bank Nifty of today's price, so you can go from 30,000 to 31,000 to 40,000. So this is a huge range you can consider for trading, and you can actually take benefit and earn more with this wide range of trading. If you consider equity options, then we provide you a range of 10% on both sides for trading. So 10% range is open for up also and for down also. So this was about margin reduction. Now I will tell you how to earn more than naked selling if you prefer hedging over naked selling. So for that, I'm going to again show you that with the help of margin calculator. So again, I'm taking to margin calculator and I'm refreshing this in order to put new positions to the calculator. So here I'm giving you another example of Nifty. So we will deal with put. We will buy put of 15,200. Add it. And we will sell put of 15,800. I will just delete it and add it again. Opposite was added. Strike rate, if you want, we can also switch to strike rates from expiries. I've chosen for 8 July. And now I will add it again. 15,800 for sell and 15,200 for buy. So here you can see margin from 1,53,000 is reduced to 62,000 itself. So this is a huge reduction. And now you can see the price for put sell was 167 and for buy was 27. Now here you can understand the concept of limited loss. Since see this buy side is 27. So if it becomes zero also, I mean that means I'm considering the condition of total loss, the position turning to zero. So you will maximum lose 27 points only. Still you have a coverage of 167 points. So now I'm deciding to cover it 57 points below. That means I will somehow cover it with 1110. 1110 I'm deciding to cover it. So 57. And from that 57 also I will deduct this 27. That means 30 points are still safe with me. I am at a profit of 30 points. That means 30 points when I'm selecting. And lot size is currently I have chosen 8 July. So lot size is 75. Later it will be changing to 50 from, I think, from 29 July. So 30 points for one lot. That means 30 into 75 you will do. That much you will earn for one lot. That means 2250. 2,250 you are earning for one lot. And as I mentioned, here you can see if I delete this hedging criteria, if I delete this buying position I've deleted. So 1,50,000 is required for naked. So if you go for naked, 1,50,000 is required high capital. Whereas if you go for hedging, 62,000. So with this 1,50,000, you can go for 2 lots of hedging. With hedging, you can go for 2 lots and some amount will still be left. Approximately 30,000 will be left and you can go for 2 lots with the same amount. So your profit will be doubled. That means instead of 30 points, you will go for 60 points. And if you go for 60 into 75, that means you will have a profit of 4,500. So here, I think I covered all the points of limited loss, of earning more than naked selling, and gap up and gap down also. So here with this example, we cover all the benefits of hedging also. This way you can always prefer hedging, earn more, less risk, and limited loss. Your loss is not unlimited, whereas it is in naked selling. So I will also tell you that at Astha Trade, we provide you margin benefit, that is margin reduction benefit at the time of entry itself. That means when you are placing your hedging orders, that time itself you will receive the margin benefit. You don't need to maintain complete amount. Initially, we will let you have the order placing at margin reduction only. So this is the benefit that you will receive with Astha Trade. And also I will now show you, this is the our screenshot from Odinero, our web-based platform. And this is a browser platform. From here, you will find option chain, as you can see on the screen. And from here itself, you can place your orders for buy and sell, both call and put. And you can just search the script, add it to watch list, and double tap on it to open the option chain. And this is also to inform you that very soon we are coming up with the latest version of our mobile application, Astha Trade Wave 2.0 version is going to be out very soon, in which we will also let the feature of option chain be there. So that feature of option chain is going to be there very soon in the mobile application also. So it will be very easy for our option traders, our retail traders. So this was all the information that I wanted to share about hedging and its benefit in today's video. So if you like our video, or if there are any suggestions or any recommendations for any new topics of video, you can drop us down the ideas on support@asthatrade.com. And we would like to be in continuous touch with the videos with you. So thank you so much. I hope this video is going to be fruitful for you.